Hello everyone, it's Loretta, and today we're going to start the 2020 Craft Fair series. This is also a fabulous gift idea. It would be great to make these in bulk and give them to a nursing home, a church, just your friends. These are pocket tissue holders, and they hold a small pocket size Kleenex pack. Now these are from the Dollar Tree. And you can make them to go with a Kleenex brand name tissue as well, like this one. And this one is an easel type style, or this will be a different video. But today we're going to make the smaller size. These Dollar Tree tissues are smaller, quite a bit smaller than the name brand counterpart, and they open differently. They actually open from the end, so you would pull this out and then take the Kleenex out the side, which is also why I made the box this way. I've done the measuring for you, so it's going to be really easy and straightforward. For today's project, you're going to need some cardstock, pattern paper, a paper trimmer, and a stylus. Now, if you want to do some stamping or stamped images that you apply to this project, you would also need the supplies for that. So, we're going to start by cutting our cardstock down to 7 5/8 by 3 3/4. All of the measurements, including scoring and instructions, will be on my blog, and the blog information will be down below. And as usual, if you have any specific questions and you want to just send me an email, you can do that. My email information will also be down below. I want to remind you that my channel is meant for adults only, over 18, so I'd appreciate you honoring that. So if you're under 18, there's nothing here for you. Okay, our cardstock is actually going to be cut to 7 7/8 by 3 3/4, and you get 2 out of 1 piece of cardstock. My pattern paper today is from Doodlebug. On the 7 7/8 side, you're going to want to start scoring this. The first score is 5/8, which is that mark right here above the 3 1/2 inch mark. The second score mark is at 2 5/8. The second score mark is at 2 5/8. The next one is 3 5/8. Five 3/4, and 6 3/4. Now, you're going to want to fold this towards the embossed side. This will keep your paper from cracking. Works with anything. It's just a good idea to use the strength of the paper to your advantage. Okay, now that this is scored, we're going to put it aside. In our first layer of pattern paper, which is this cute polka dot pattern, it is from the Lots of Luck pattern paper pack from Doodlebug, and it's going to measure in at 2 by 3 5/8. And since I'm making a lot of these, I'm going to go on and just cut a bunch of this size. This is a very easy project to mass produce, like I said before. All right, the next measurement, which is for the sides of the box, is going to be 3 5/8 by 7/8. Okay, this measurement for the top layer is going to be 3 1/2 by 1 7/8. Add to the list of items you're going to be needing for this project a bone folder and some score tape or any adhesive that you like. I am going to take the opportunity to reinforce my score lines. This flap is going to get score tape right there, and this flap is going to get score tape right here. Okay, when you take this piece right here, and it's going to be right up here, you're going to want to go ahead and bring your box pieces together, and you're going to line up this score line with that score line right there. For this part of the project, I do like to use glue. You don't have to. You can use score tape or even tape runner. For glue, I am using some wood glue. This happens to be reptile glue. You can buy it from Amazon fairly inexpensively. Lasts a long time. It is PVA free. So that just means it's really safe for paper art projects that you even want to have that are archival. The really fun thing about this particular paper from Doodlebug is it is in fact double-sided, but you have the little pills on one side and Band-Aids on the other. So stinking cute. Okay, this would be a very easy pattern to cut out with your scan and cut. It would do a fabulous job. I actually cut this a little too long, so I'm just going to trim up a little tiny bit. Of course, you would do that with your scissors. I mean, your paper trimmer instead, so it's straight. Mine may or may not be. You can finish the bottom if you'd like to. On the previous boxes I made, I did not, but for the sample purposes or purposes of this video, I am going to finish it. This would also be a really good place to put your information, your Handmade with Love information. Now, if you want, you can layer this side pieces as well. I do like the contrast of the two colors. Here's one of my little Kleenex packages, and just slides in place. That's it. It's so easy and so much fun. I do hope you will give this a try. For the purpose of a craft fair, I would charge $2.50 to $2.75 a piece for these. I hope that you've enjoyed this project. If you have, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget, share my videos on your social media and subscribe if you haven't already. Stamp happy and be a blessing. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.